Welcome back. So in this lecture, we will discuss about what methods HR is considering more efficient than GD. Okay. So most of the HR said, see, GD is just one part of our recruitment process, but we look at data from various other sources also. The candidates psychometric test scores, personal interview scores, technical interview scores, aptitude test scores. They also said they give MCQ questions to look at the skill or area knowledge. Okay. And then in the end they give the situational analysis to see how they respond to tricky situations or how they would behave to a certain situation, case study presentation, work assessment test, and a lot of simulations basically. Okay, work simulation tests. So you should be aware that GD GD is going to remain, and HR is going to leverage other tests also to basically gauge you gauge whether you are a suitable candidate or not. Okay. Then there was a section of HR which said we would like to go for the problem solving approach and informal interviews. Okay. Why problem solving approach? Because they want to see your thinking process, right? They want to see how whether you can solve the problem or not. And then informal interviews, because they felt that informal interviews get you the facts rather than formal interviews. Okay. So you should be geared up for this. Now, the third point is pretty interesting, right? A section of HR felt that candidates should be made to do a mock project, which is very similar to the work that they will be doing once they get selected. And once the project is done, this candidate should be made to do a presentation in front of a panel from the company, and they are supposed to field questions from this panel. Okay. I am foreseeing this to this to take. I am foreseeing that at least few of the companies in your batch will start using this method to recruit, and I felt it was a very effective method to check whether the candidate would be a suitable fit. Then there was a section of HRs who said focus group activities to see whether they do teamwork or not. And then there was a minority which said impromptu speech, verbal paraphrasing of multiple scenarios. And then there was a sizable chunk which said we would like to see gamification so that we are able to hire the right candidate. Okay. So with that, I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.